Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry. I'm Gary. Today I'm going to try my new knife to make a Splitwood fire for Bushcraft USA's Bush class. To meet their requirements for the Splitwood challenge, you have to take your wood down to thumb size, pencil lead size, and shavings. So I'm going to do all of the above. And you also have to do it on a platform, and yeah, I'm also going to use a TP fire lay, and for my tinder I'm going to use birch, and this must be struck with a ferrocerium rod. So all of the above. Selecting the wood, you want it to be up off the ground, as dry as possible. Kind of wanted to do this so I could try my knife out as well. I haven't batoned with it yet, not to any extent. Part of the class requirements is that you have 3 times the prep you need for a fire. So I'm going to take at least one of these down to pencil lead. I'm going to take one of these down to fingers to pencil size, and I'm going to take one down to thumb size, at least. I don't want it just resting on the ground. It's counterproductive. A straighter piece. There's a knot right there. I just broke it from this side. Now I'm going to come down the other side and break it free from over here. Just like that. Take the bark off of this. I'm going to use this to gather our smaller pencil-sized pieces. So this isn't a typical bushcraft knife. It's got a very positive spot for my pinky to set. So when I am stabbing into something, it's not likely to slide past. Figured I'd throw that out there in case anybody's worried about me stabbing at the wood. And I'm not stabbing all that hard. Slightly different technique for you. Stab in, drive it down onto the tip. twist and split. Nice and simple. Whoops. Stab in. Take you out of the picture and possibly, actually, if I can, here you go. On my way out here, I grabbed some birch bark. Now, I'm supposed to have 3 times the prep, so grabbed enough to start 3 fires. I'm going to use this piece, my base to hold my tinder. Tear it up a little bit so it sits there a little nicer. Which leaves me a couple more pieces and a whole bunch more bark for other fires. I'm going to make a small platform. Start my fire on. We're not sitting in the wet leaves. I will suspend my piece of bark. My intention is to strike a spark into there, into the yellow birch, get that burning, take some of the shavings, put that on top, then take the wood in increasing size and put it on there. Let's get started. That. Without smothering it. Get the shavings going. And increasing in size. The other sticks going. And I need to bring it to a knee-high flame. It's a terrible TP lay. You can tell how damp everything is. Let's let that go for a sec. I really shortcut the hell out of it. It's been raining for several days and everything is wet. Oops. So Bushcraft USA's bush class requires that we split from modest wood size to thumb size or approximately thereabouts to pencil size to pencil lead size, and shavings, and with all of that we effectively get a fire that is knee high. All striking it all with a ferro rod, and your knife. Only using for processing, only using a saw, which I use the Baco Laplander, and your knife for splitting the wood down. I got a fire. Took a minute for it to catch up, pick up, but it's going now.